Hi, today we are going to learn this pattern. This pattern is named as a butterfly pattern. So let's go. For this pattern, you have to chain multiple of 8 plus 4 chains. You have to chain multiple of 8 plus 4 chain. After you chain the required length, single crochet in each stitch. You have to place single crochet in each stitch. From row number 2 the pattern starts. So chain 3. This is equal to 1 double crochet and place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So in this pattern, the edges will be completed and started with the 2 double crochets. After this, chain 2, skip 3 stitch below and place 1 double crochet in the 4th stitch. And chain 2 and place 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So now we will name this stitch as V stitch, that is 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet is 1 V stitch. Now chain 2, skip 3 stitch below and single crochet in the 4th stitch. So you are going to repeat this pattern. Chain 2, 1 V stitch. V stitch means 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. You have to leave 3 stitch below and you have to place the V stitch in the 4th stitch. And after placing V stitch, chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch. So you have to repeat this pattern as it is. Now you have to complete the row with the 2 double crochets. Now row number 3, chain 3, turn the project and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. After placing this, chain 2, now you are going to work with this butterfly pattern. You have to yarn over and pull through from this first double crochet space. So I am yarn over and pulling the yarn through it totally 6 times. After this, you have to yarn over and pull through first 2 loops and then one loop in the followings. After placing this stitch, now the chain 2 space will be there. You have to place 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet in the space. After this, now you are going to pick up the double crochet. Now you have to yarn over and pull through from this loop 6 times. Now I am going to yarn over and pull through from in the first toe loop and yarn over and pull through only one loop only. Now you have to repeat this pattern. After this will be your butterfly pattern. Now chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the single crochet, previous row single crochet. So this is the pattern you are going to repeat it. Chain 2, place butterfly stitch, in the chain 2 space you have to place 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. After this you have to place 1 butterfly stitch here. After this, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the single crochet. So repeat this pattern as it is. Finally you are going to complete the row with the 2 double crochet. At this end of the row you are going to chain 2 and complete the row with the 2 double crochet. After this, I am taking new color yarn and slip stitch in the first stitch and chain 3. After this, place 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now you are going to chain 1. Now you are going to place 1 double crochet in this chain 2 space. After this, chain 2 and single crochet in the 1 chain space, that is in the between 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet space. After this, chain 2 and place 1 V-stitch above this double crochet. After it, you are going to repeat the pattern as it is. Chain 2, single crochet in this space, that is 1 chain space, and chain 2, V-stitch. You are going to repeat this pattern. Now you are going to place 1 double crochet in this chain 2 space. And chain 1 and finish with the 2 double crochet. Now chain 3, turn the project and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now there is a 1 chain space here, right? Now you are going to place 3 double crochet here. After placing 3 double crochet, you are going to work butterfly pattern in this double crochet. After placing butterfly pattern, you are going to repeat this pattern. Chain 2, double crochet, and chain 2, you are going to work in the V-stitch butterfly pattern. So here the ends will be different from the previous row. At the end of the row, you are going to repeat the butterfly pattern in this double crochet. That is only one double crochet is here. You are going to place one butterfly pattern here. And then chain one space will be there. There you have to place 3 double crochet. And then finish the row with the 2 double crochet. After completing this row, now we are going to repeat row number 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. So these 4 rows only will be repeated. So I will just start the pattern here. So you are going to repeat this pattern as it is. See, I have completed the pattern and I have placed the beads on it. If you like this project, like, share and subscribe Crochet Tamil channel. So thank you.